As the conflict in Ukraine continues, Russia has introduced a new self-propelled artillery system, the 2S44 Giatsint-K, into its arsenal. This latest addition aims to enhance mobility and firepower on the battlefield, combining a powerful 152mm gun with a highly mobile wheeled platform. But what makes it different from existing artillery systems, and how could it impact the ongoing war? According to a video report aired on February 10, 2025, as part of the television program TRK's Zvezda, they showed footage of training of cadets of the Mikhailovskaya Military Artillery Academy on a new artillery system. Almost all parts of this weapon are covered with a cloth shaped like leaves that are probably used as a camouflage for this howitzer system. At its core, the 2S44 Giatsint-K is a modernized version of Russia's older 2A36 Giatsint-B artillery gun. However, unlike its predecessor, which was towed and required setup before firing, the 2S44 is mounted on an 8x8 wheeled vehicle, allowing it to move quickly between positions. This shift from towed to self-propelled artillery is significant, as it enhances battlefield flexibility and survivability. The 2S44 Giatsint-K is built for long-range precision strikes, capable of hitting targets up to 30.5 kilometers away using standard ammunition. If equipped with rocket-assisted projectiles, its range extends to an impressive 40 kilometers. This makes it a valuable asset for counter-battery fire, engaging enemy artillery from a safe distance without needing to be repositioned manually. Moreover, its wheel design provides a major advantage over traditional tracked self-propelled guns like the 2S19 Mista S. The wheeled chassis not only makes it cheaper to produce and maintain, but also allows for faster redeployment, especially on paved roads. In contrast, tracked artillery vehicles, while offering better off-road performance, tend to be slower and require more logistical support. Russia has recently introduced another wheeled self-propelled artillery system, the 2S43 Malva, raising questions about how it compares to the Giatsint-K. While both are designed for mobility and rapid deployment, their roles on the battlefield differ significantly. The 2S43 Malva is equipped with a 152mm 2A64 howitzer, offering both high-angled and direct-fire capabilities. This makes it a more versatile artillery piece, well-suited for supporting infantry and engaging enemy positions or fortifications. In contrast, the 2S44 Giatsint-K uses a 152mm 2A36 gun, designed specifically for long-range precision strikes and counter-battery fire. While both systems have a wheeled 8x8 chassis, allowing for fast movement, the Giatsint-K outranges the Malva, making it more effective for hit-and-run artillery tactics rather than sustained battlefield support. The deployment of the 2S44 Giatsint-K in Ukraine suggests that Russia is prioritizing mobility in its artillery strategy. With the war often relying on long-range duels between artillery units, the ability to fire and relocate quickly is crucial for survival. Unlike traditional artillery, which is vulnerable to counterattacks, a highly mobile system like the 2S44 can strike and retreat before the enemy has time to respond. Additionally, reports indicate that Russia has been facing artillery losses due to Ukraine's use of drone-guided precision strikes and HIMARS rocket systems. In this context, wheeled self-propelled guns like the 2S44 offer a potential solution to counter Western-supplied precision weapons, giving Russian forces an advantage in fast-paced artillery battles. Despite its advantages, the 2S44 Giatsint-K still faces challenges. Wheeled artillery systems may struggle in muddy or rough terrain, which is common in Ukraine, especially during autumn and spring. Additionally, while it is mobile, it lacks the heavy armor protection of tracked self-propelled guns, meaning that it remains vulnerable to drone attacks and precision strikes. Moreover, it is unclear how many units of the 2S44 Russia has produced and deployed. If available in limited numbers, its overall impact on the war might be marginal. However, if mass-produced, it could significantly improve Russia's artillery capabilities in the long run. Russia's ongoing development of new weapon systems, such as the 2S44 Giatsint-K, amidst its stated desire for peace with Ukraine, can be understood through several strategic considerations. Firstly, Russia aims to maintain and project its military strength to bolster its negotiating position. By continuing to develop advanced weaponry, Russia signals its readiness and capability to defend its interests, thereby seeking to influence the terms of any potential peace negotiations. This approach aligns with Russia's historical emphasis on military power as a cornerstone of its national security strategy. Secondly, the development of new weapons serves as a deterrent against external threats. By showcasing advancements like the 2S44 Giatsint-K, Russia intends to dissuade other nations from intervening in its sphere of influence or escalating the conflict. This deterrent strategy is rooted in the belief that a robust military arsenal can prevent adversaries from taking aggressive actions. Furthermore, the ongoing modernization of Russia's military capabilities reflects its desire to assert itself as a dominant regional power. In the context of the Ukraine conflict, demonstrating military superiority is seen as a means to achieve favorable outcomes, both on the battlefield and at the negotiating table. It's also important to note that military developments can continue irrespective of diplomatic efforts. The pursuit of peace does not necessarily entail a halt in defense advancements. Rather, nations often continue to enhance their military capabilities to ensure preparedness for any eventuality. While it is still too early to determine its full battlefield effectiveness, it is clear that Russia is adapting its approach in response to modern warfare challenges. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.